Hey, thanks for tuning in to another tasting experience with Key Encounters. The item that we have here is a non-alcoholic item, and it is by AVEC Premium Carbonated Drink. And the flavor is Jalapeno and Blood Orange, or for those that maybe enunciate it differently and we don't want to exclude you, jalapenos. It says here, mix with a spirit of drink by itself. Oh, mix with a spirit or drink it by itself. I'm going to drink it by itself. Low calorie, only 5 grams of sugar. Non-alcoholic. This can is 8.45 fluid ounces or 250 mLs. They sell them in a 4-pack. It contains 11% juice. That's sad. All right, so let's see if it has blood orange and jalapenos. All right. There, we'll just pour it all in there. All right, that looks interesting. Okay. All right, I think it definitely looks like it. Let's face it. If you look at the liquid and the can and the word jalapeno, it kind of looks like jalapeno juice, don't it? That's just me. All right. So here we go. I can smell it from here. Interesting. I can smell jalapeno, like the flesh of it, no capsaicin. Like it almost smells sweet. And then with the orange, these two are coming off with a fragrance of grapefruit, and I'm gonna have to throw in some lime. Or yeah, I'm gonna go lime, grapefruit. But if you like go beyond that, you're gonna get orange and jalapeno. So the fragrance is there. So here we go. Oh, this ass. You get the jalapeno at the end. Now there's a little spice. The orange tastes like chewable children's vitamin C tablet. That's what it tastes like. And the jalapeno is overpowered by all this, and it's super watery, by the way. So it tastes medicinal. Now the jalapeno part's at the end, and now I'm getting a little tingles and a little spice. I would have preferred if this was blended all together. I don't think I've ever seen in the history of anything in my experience on this planet where jalapeno and blood orange, even though blood orange is bitter, I've never seen it in a dish per se. I have never seen this combination in a dish. I've never seen this like in a salad, like a summer salad. I've never seen it in like a sauce. So I wonder what would be the premise of putting jalapeno and blood orange together. Now, I've seen other peppers and citrus things going on, but I've never seen this combination, and it just falls short because nothing is together. It's separate. And then as far as like the citrus part, the sweet part, it's kind of watery, and then the jalapeno like jumps up at the end, and it's just like, I'm not enjoying this. Hence why I think they advertised it mixed with a spirit first or drink by itself. So think about that. Why wouldn't you drink it by yourself and enjoy yourself? Or, you know what, add it to a mix. Why would you put that first? Now I see why. Like, this isn't enjoyable as on its own. Could I see it in cocktails? Absolutely. Could I see it in a mocktail? Absolutely. It could definitely use something like pineapple, maybe some more heat, maybe a different pepper in there, like actually muddle some in there. But it's too separate, too watery, too blasé. And even though the can looks simple, it screams that it's packed full of flavor. Nope. So even though it's low in calories, it's low in calories and only has 5 grams of sugar. It's also low in flavor and only 5 grams of we tried. This is remedial. I do not recommend this, but if you do get it and catch it on sale, just mix it. I promise you, because there's nothing pleasant about this. And that's just my opinion. So I'm going to leave it at that. It's ass.